In this video, I'll show you how to export a transparent video in After Effects. The first thing you want to make sure of before exporting a transparent video is that there are no layers acting as the background. If I click the toggle transparency grid icon and see this checkered pattern in the background, that means the composition is transparent and we can proceed with the export. By default, After Effects will export the entire timeline. But if you only want to export a specific section, you can select just that part. Move the time indicator to where you want the export to begin and press B on your keyboard to set the endpoint. Then move to where you want the export to end and press N to set the out point. Now we've selected this section of the timeline, so After Effects will export only this part. To export, go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Or you can use the Ctrl+M shortcut. In the render queue, next to Output module, click on the blue text. In this window, select the format and choose QuickTime. Then click on Format Options and set the video codec to animation. Click OK. Next, set channels to RGB plus Alpha. The RGB plus Alpha setting is important because it allows After Effects to include the transparency information in the exported video. Click OK. Now next to Output 2, click on the blue text. Select the folder where you want to save your video and give your video a name. Then click Save. Finally, click Render. Once the rendering is complete, open the folder you selected and you'll find your transparent video there. Keep in mind that you may not be able to preview this video properly using regular media players. However, if you import it back into After Effects, Premiere Pro, or other video editing software, including OBS Studio, it will work correctly and retain its transparent background. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.